How to deactivate Facebook account. Let's begin opening the Facebook app. After, tap the menu icon. It may be at the top or at the bottom of the screen. Then, tap the gear icon to open the settings. Now, go to See More in Account Center. Scroll down a little and choose Personal Details. In Personal Details, select Account Ownership and Control. Next, tap Deactivation or Deletion. So, select the Facebook account you wanna deactivate. In deactivation or deleting your Facebook account, there are two options: deactivate account or delete account. In this tutorial, we wanna deactivate a Facebook account. So select the option Deactivate Account. Scroll down a little. And before you tap Continue, be aware that if there are Facebook pages that you are the only admin or person with full control, if you wanna keep a page like that still activated, you will need to assign another admin or give someone else full control in your page's settings. Apart from these hypotheses, the Facebook page related to this account will also be deactivated. Now tap Continue. At this moment, you need to enter your password to proceed. Finally, tap Continue. Touch the subscribe button for more Facebook tutorials.